In an era brimming with innovation, two titans emerge to redefine our world: quantum generation AI and decentralization. These two juggernauts of technology aren't just playing the game, they're rewriting the rulebook. Quantum generation AI is the brainchild of advanced computing and artificial intelligence, harnessing the power of quantum mechanics to process data at unprecedented speeds and efficiencies. It's like having a supercomputer in your pocket, capable of solving complex problems in the blink of an eye. Decentralization, on the other hand, is the democratization of data. It's the idea that data should be owned and controlled by the many, not the few. It's about creating a level playing field where everyone has equal access to information and equal say in how it's used. Together, quantum generation AI and decentralization are changing the way we live, work, and interact. They're transforming industries, from finance to healthcare, and shaping the future of everything from governance to communication. Consider governance, for instance. With quantum generation AI and decentralization, we're looking at a future where decisions are made transparently and inclusively, where every voice is heard and every vote counts. It's a future where power is distributed fairly and equitably, not hoarded by a select few. In terms of data security, these technologies offer a fortress of protection. Quantum generation AI and decentralization are like a digital lock and key, safeguarding our most sensitive information from cyber threats and data breaches. And when it comes to computational efficiency, they're in a league of their own. Quantum generation AI in particular is set to revolutionize processing speeds, making our devices faster, smarter, and more efficient. In the financial sector, they're creating innovative solutions, from advanced trading platforms to private, global payment systems. They're making money more accessible, more secure, and more democratic. And let's not forget communication. With quantum generation AI and decentralization, we're on the cusp of a new era of connectivity, where data is transmitted securely, efficiently, and at lightning-fast speeds. Together, they're not just changing the game, they're creating a whole new playing field. Quantum generation AI and decentralization are more than just buzzwords. They're the future, and the future is here, and it's quantum-powered. Imagine governance that's not only secure, but inherently transparent, fair, and inclusive. The dawn of quantum AI and decentralization is upon us, bringing with it a revolution in governance that promises to be a game changer. Let's envision a world where governance is no longer shrouded in mystery, where every decision made is visible to all, where the process is equitable and everyone has a say. This is not a distant dream, but a reality being shaped by the convergence of quantum generation AI and decentralization. The fusion of these two titans creates a decentralized model of governance that's as transparent as it is secure. Every decision, every transaction, every interaction is permanently recorded on a transparent ledger that anyone can view. It's like having a public library of governance, open around the clock for anyone to see. But it's not just about transparency, it's about fairness too. In this decentralized model, every voice counts. Decisions aren't made behind closed doors by a select few. Instead, they're made collectively, with every stakeholder having a say. It's true democracy in action. And then there's inclusivity. In a world often divided by borders and barriers, decentralization breaks down these walls. Whether you're in New York or Nairobi, London or Lima, you're part of the conversation. You're part of the decision-making process. But what makes this possible? The answer is quantum AI. This revolutionary technology is the key that unlocks this new world of governance. It's the engine that powers the decentralized model, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. Quantum generation AI does more than just process data. It learns, it adapts, and it improves. It's the smartest player on the field, one that's always learning, always growing. And in the realm of governance, it's the impartial referee, ensuring the game is played fairly and transparently. So, what does this all mean for you? It means a future where governance is not a closed book, but an open one. A world where fairness, transparency, and inclusivity aren't just buzzwords, but the norm. Quantum generation AI is the key, unlocking decentralized models where every decision is visible, equitable, and accessible to all. In a world where data breaches are a constant threat, quantum generation AI and decentralization stand as a fortress of security. These two powerhouses combine to form a formidable defense, providing an extra layer of security that's crucial in our highly digital world. Quantum generation AI, a technology that harnesses the principles of quantum physics, is a game changer. It functions on the basis of quantum bits, or qubits. Unlike traditional bits that can be either a 0 or a 1, a qubit can be both at the same time. This unique property enables quantum computers to process massive amounts of data at lightning speed. But what does this mean for data security? Well, it introduces something called quantum encryption. Here, data is encoded in a way that any attempt to view or intercept it changes its state. This means that if a hacker tries to access the encrypted data, not only will the attempt fail, but the intrusion will be immediately apparent. It's like having a security system that not only locks the door, but alerts you when someone so much as touches the handle. Now, let's bring decentralization into the picture. In a decentralized network, data is not stored in a single location. Instead, it's spread across multiple nodes, each holding a piece of the puzzle. This means that even if a hacker were to compromise one node, they wouldn't gain access to the entire dataset. It's akin to having your valuables stashed in multiple safes rather than one. Losing one doesn't mean losing all. So when you combine quantum encryption with decentralization, you get a robust security system that can stand up to the most sophisticated cyber threats. It's a system where data breaches become a thing of the past, and privacy is the order of the day. In essence, quantum AI and decentralization are not just about enhanced data security. They're about giving us control over our digital lives, about ensuring our private information stays just that, private, protecting our most sensitive data with unbreakable encryption. Efficiency is the lifeblood of progress. In a world where time is money and data is gold, the ability to process information quickly and accurately is invaluable. Enter quantum generation AI and decentralization, the dynamic duo set to revolutionize computational efficiency. Picture a traditional computer, working tirelessly, solving one problem at a time. Now, imagine a quantum computer, a superpowered version that can solve multiple problems simultaneously. This is the power of quantum generation AI. It leverages the principles of quantum mechanics to process vast amounts of data at speeds that leave traditional computers in the dust. But how does decentralization fit into this picture? Well, think of a crowded city with only one highway. Traffic is slow and congestion is inevitable. Now imagine if that city had multiple highways, each capable of handling traffic independently. That's the essence of decentralization. Instead of relying on a single point for data processing, the tasks are distributed across multiple nodes, each capable of independent operation. This not only increases efficiency, but also enhances reliability and resilience against failures. When quantum generation AI meets decentralization, the result is a computational powerhouse. Complex calculations that would take traditional computers years to compute can be processed in mere seconds. This is not just an incremental change, it's a quantum leap in computational efficiency. Take weather forecasting, for example. It's a complex process that requires crunching vast amounts of data to make accurate predictions. With the combined power of quantum generation AI and decentralization, we could potentially predict weather patterns with unprecedented accuracy in real time. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. The possibilities are endless, from optimizing traffic flow in smart cities to decoding the mysteries of the human genome. With quantum generation AI in decentralized networks, computational processes are not just optimized, they're revolutionized, ensuring peak performance across the board. The fusion of quantum generation AI with decentralization is set to transform the financial sector. Picture the world of finance as we know it. A world that's been traditionally dominated by centralized institutions and opaque practices. Now, imagine a shift, a transition into a world where these norms are disrupted by the advent of quantum AI and decentralization. As the power of quantum generation AI merges with the principles of decentralization, we witness the birth of a new era in finance, an era marked by innovation and accessibility. This fusion is paving the way for advanced trading platforms that leverage the power of quantum computing to process vast amounts of data in a split second, thus creating the potential for more accurate market predictions and smarter investment decisions. Imagine a platform where algorithms, powered by quantum generation AI, analyze market trends and execute trades in real time with an efficiency and precision that far surpasses human capabilities. Traders, both novice and experienced, could leverage platforms to make informed decisions and maximize their profits, all while minimizing their risks. And it doesn't stop at trading. The marriage of quantum generation AI and decentralization is also set to revolutionize global payment systems. Picture a future where transactions are not bound by borders or banking hours. A future where you can send money across the globe instantly, securely, and with minimal fees, regardless of the time or day. Decentralization ensures that these transactions are not controlled by a single entity, but are instead verified by a vast network of computers. This not only provides enhanced security, but also makes the system much more resilient and robust. Quantum generation AI, on the other hand, can help optimize these transactions, ensuring they are processed swiftly and efficiently. This combination of speed, security, and accessibility could potentially open up financial services to millions of unbanked individuals around the world, thus promoting financial inclusion and equality. Introducing advanced trading platforms and private global payment systems that open new horizons for innovation and accessibility. Welcome to the future of finance, a future powered by quantum generation AI and decentralization. This fusion is not just a step forward, it's a quantum leap towards a more equitable and inclusive financial landscape. On the horizon, secure and efficient space-based quantum communication networks promise to safeguard data integrity and confidentiality. These networks, powered by the revolutionary combination of quantum AI and decentralization, are set to redefine how we connect, communicate, and share information. In the vast expanse of digital communication, quantum generation AI plays the crucial role of a gatekeeper. It uses the principles of quantum mechanics to create, transmit, and decipher complex cryptographic keys. This ensures that our data is not just secure, but virtually untouchable. It's like sending a message in a language that only you and the recipient understand, and if anyone else tries to read it, the message self-destructs. Now, combine this with decentralization. Traditional networks have central points of control, which can be exploited or become bottlenecks. But in a decentralized network, there's no single point of failure. The power is distributed across the network, making it more resilient and robust. This means that even if one node is compromised, the rest of the network remains unaffected, ensuring your data's integrity. But there's more. Quantum generation AI and decentralization also promise to improve the speed and efficiency of our communication networks. Quantum AI can process vast amounts of data at breakneck speeds, while decentralization eliminates the need for intermediaries, allowing data to travel more directly and quickly. Now imagine this technology in space. We're talking about global connectivity that's not just ultra-fast, but also secure and efficient. Space-based quantum communication networks can cover large distances, reaching even the most remote corners of our planet. This is not just about faster internet or secure messaging. It's about creating a world where everyone, regardless of their location, has access to secure, efficient, and high-speed communication. It's about breaking down barriers, promoting inclusivity, and empowering individuals and communities worldwide. Ensuring a future where connectivity is boundless and secure, that's the potential of quantum generation AI and decentralization in next-generation communication networks. And this future is not far off. It's just on the horizon. The synergy of quantum generation AI and decentralization is more than just evolution. It's a revolution. We've journeyed together through a realm of infinite possibilities, where these two titans of technology are shaping the future as we know it. Imagine a world where governance isn't a murky process, hidden behind closed doors and shrouded in mystery. With quantum generation AI and decentralization, we are set to witness a system that's not only secure, but inherently transparent, fair, and inclusive. A system where every decision is visible, equitable, and accessible to all. In this new age, data breaches will be as outdated as dial-up internet. A world where our most sensitive data is protected by an impenetrable fortress of quantum encryption, offering a level of security that's currently unimaginable. We've also glimpsed a future where efficiency isn't just a goal, but a reality. With quantum generation AI driving decentralized networks, computational processes will be revolutionized, ensuring peak performance across all sectors. And let's not forget the financial sector. The fusion of quantum generation AI with decentralization is set to transform it completely, introducing advanced trading platforms and private, global payment systems. The world of finance is about to open new horizons for innovation and accessibility. And lastly, the dawn of next-generation communication networks is upon us. Secure and efficient space-based quantum communication networks will safeguard data integrity and confidentiality, ensuring a future where connectivity is boundless and secure. This is a future where secure governance, data security, and efficiency are not just ideals, but realities. It's a world where innovation is the norm, and the impossible is just another problem waiting to be solved. The future is here, and it's quantum-powered. Let us not just be spectators of this revolution, but active participants. Join us in this journey towards a quantum future. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of tomorrow. Join the QG community and become a QG Axis.